Tartar buildup on your teeth can lead to dental problems, but there are ways to manage and reduce it. So here's some effective tips. First, maintain regular brushing routines. So brush your teeth at least twice a day with fluoride toothpaste. Actually, do baking soda, all right? And make sure to brush for 2 minutes, focusing on all surfaces of your teeth. Next, use dental floss daily. Flossing removes food particles and plaque between your teeth that your toothbrush will miss, and it's going to make your mouth stink. You need to floss. It's more important than brushing, if you ask me. Okay? This helps prevent tartar buildup. Consider using an antibacterial mouthwash. This can help reduce plaque and kill bacteria in your mouth. Regular dental checkups are essential. A dentist can professionally clean your teeth, removing tartar that you can't reach at home. So if you're prone to tartar buildup, a toothpaste designed to combat it might be good for you. Some brands have a special ingredient that helps reduce tartar formation. And finally, watch your diet. Limiting sugary foods and drinks will help prevent plaque buildup, which leads to tartar. So by following these tips and maintaining good oral hygiene, you can keep tartar buildup under control. All right?